What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ceramic coating on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is CERAKOTE Rapid Ceramic Paint. Unsurpassed slickness. You simply have to touch it to believe how slick this finish is. Maximum gloss and shine. Hands down the highest level of gloss and shine you will ever experience. Achieve mirror-like results in a simple application, right in your own driveway. Extremely hydrophobic. CERAKOTE's true ceramic technology repels water, road grime, mud and dirt, making your car stay cleaner, longer. Quick and easy to apply. Simply wash and dry your vehicle as you normally would. Then evenly spray a light coat directly to a panel or small area of your vehicle. Then, just lightly buff the coating to an incredible shine. It really doesn't get any easier than this. In our list, the number 4 product name is TopCoat F11 Pro All-Surface Polish. All-Surface Polish and Sealer. Ditch multiple car detailing products and go pro. F11 Pro cleans, restores, protects, and seals to create a hydrophobic barrier for easier cleaning and maintenance. Protect your investment for years to come with F11 Pro. Amino-functional technology. Free of abrasive compounds. Water-based F11 Pro harnesses amino-functional technology to create a better coating than other hybrid ceramics and graphene ceramic coatings due to its superior bonding capabilities. Lasts up to 12 months. One application of F11 Pro coats and protects surfaces up to 1 year depending on climate and car wash frequency. Reapply every 3 to 6 months to maintain a brilliant shine. For use on both exterior and interior surfaces to restore, preserve and protect. Use on cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs and more with F11 Pro. Refrain from use on control mechanisms and walking surfaces. One 8-ounce bottle will cover 12 to 16 full-sized cars. Application. To apply F11 Pro, mist on intended surface and use a clean microfiber cloth to buff. Use a second dry microfiber cloth for a final buff to ensure the entire surface is polished and potential areas of overspray are removed. In our list, the number 3 product name is Shine Armor Ceramic Coating Fortify Quick Coat Car Wax. Advanced Formula 3-in-1. Our Fortify Quick Coat is your all-in-one ceramic coating hydrophobic spray. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Ceramic Car Wax provides a waterless wash, coat, and shine, all-in-one convenient product. No streaking, smearing, or scratching. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Premium Formula Ceramic Car Coating is a gentle and effective car polish for any vehicle. Get a clean, shiny finish without hurting your car's paint. Cuts dirt, grime and grease. Our Quick Coat Ceramic Wax Car Sealant eliminates dirt, grime and grease instantly. Our signature 3-in-1 formula gives you a waterless car wash, coat and shine for a clean, showcase look. Safe for all surfaces. Use this car wax spray on automobiles, boats, motorbikes, RVs, four-wheelers and more. This spray wax is the perfect blend of surfactants and SiO2 ceramic coating science. Superior products. This means superior shine for your cars. Our ceramic quick coat also works as a sealer to give your vehicle a clear shield of protection while also providing a beautiful gloss. Our ceramic coat is the best hydrophobic car spray available. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chemical Guys CLY_109 Light Duty. Clay bar leaves the surface silky smooth with a mirror-like smooth finish. Premium professional quality clay bar capable of removing contaminants, such as bugs, tar, rail dust and overspray. One premium professional duty bar is enough to do at least 4 vehicles, for light to medium moderate contamination removal. Will not break or deteriorate into small particles like inferior low-quality clay bars. Super elastic clay bar removes harmful particles quickly and effectively. Acts as a magnet to foreign particles, literally pulling the paint fouling grime away from the surface of the paint. Non-abrasive product, safe for all aluminum, chrome, fiberglass, paint and finishes. Value pack. The Chemical Guys fine-grade clay bar and lube kit will easily and safely remove stubborn contaminants that will not be removed during the washing process. Stubborn surface-damaging contaminants such as tar, tree sap, bird droppings, bug smear, embedded road grime, paint overspray, and airplane fallout can leave surfaces rough and gritty. The Chemical Guys light blue bar safely and effectively removes contaminants without needing to scrub the surface too hard. Hard vigorous rubbing usually leads to scratches and surface damage. Luber High Lubricity lubricant was specially formulated to increase lubricity and reduce friction. Luber lubricates paint, delivering a slick non-stick surface so that clay can be easily and gently glided across the surface. Chemical Guys clay bar and lube kit will extend the life of your clay while delivering superior surface lubricity during claying. Stick with a genuine clay lubricant to get the best performance and longevity from your detailing clay. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guys Ceramic Quick Detailer. The shine you want. HydroSpeed is the extremely versatile and easy-to-apply ceramic quick detailer that uses special hydrophobic polymers and nanoparticles of SiO2 to deliver a brilliant show car shine, durable all-weather protection, and intense hydrophobic water beating in mere seconds. Use it all over your car. Now, you can add durable ceramic protection, water beating, and shine to your paint, wheels, glass, headlights, taillights, and more. Use it between washes, on top of waxes, to maintain your favorite ceramic coating on treated or untreated vehicles for tremendous results. It cleans itself, utilizing the latest in modern ceramic chemistry. The unique fusion of SiO2 gives HydroSpeed superior hydrophobicity and self-cleaning properties that keep your vehicle cleaner longer. Fast and easy to use. By using the active SiO2 ingredient in liquid form, a quick spray of HydroSpeed seals the surface of your paint, creating a superior mirror reflection and an intense ceramic crystalline shine. Protect against the elements. Durable ceramic hydro technology shields against harmful solar rays, harsh elements, industrial fallout, and more, helping protect your paint from oxidation, fading, and premature wear that ruins the look of your ride. Trust Chemical Guys. Our company has been built with a passion for shine. We are passion-filled car enthusiasts who work every day to produce products that make things look better, smell better and make people happy. HydroSpeed is proudly produced in Southern California.